we're asked to compare here the different accounts. All right, we've got to be really careful here, because with Morganic Bank it says 0.41% interest paid every month. There's no mention at all there of the word nominal. Okay, so with the formula AER, the I refers to nominal interest. If they don't mention it, then they haven't given it to you. Okay, they have here nominal annual rate, but if you read carefully, it just says 0.41% interest paid every month. So they're actually telling you what's happened to the nominal interest there. It's been split so that the interest gets paid every month. So it's been split 12 times. So to get the nominal interest rate, we need to sort of work it backwards here and appreciate that the interest rate has been spread over every month for the year. So then, of course, you're going to times that then by 12 to work out what the interest rate is over the whole course of the year. If I do that, I actually get 4.92%, which is exactly the same as Bank Gwynedd there. Okay, so we're then going to do the AER calculation. So we're going to have 1 plus then I, which will be the nominal interest rate. Okay, as I mentioned before. But remember, it's got to be as a decimal, right? So if they give it to you as a percentage, just divide it by 100 and it'll come out then as a decimal for you. Of course, 0.0492 over n. Now n is the number of compounding periods. Now, because they've been paid every month, well, it's been paid 12 times, so it's compounded 12 times. So that's what n is. So quite simply, we can work out there what the AER is. Just typing that in one go on my calculator. And I get 0.05032 blah blah blah. You remember that is as a decimal. That's what the formula calculates in. So times it by 100 and I get 5.03%. Okay. Now we'll do the same then for Gwynedd. The nominal interest rate is given here, so I can go straight for the AER formula here. So 1 plus, now it's going to be the same as a 0.0492, but it's paid every 3 months, which means, because 3 months is quarterly, isn't it? So it's going to be 4 lots of 3 months in a year, so 4 compounding payments, so n is 4. So I can work that out there. Now what I can do, go back on my calculator and just change this to a 4. Change that to a 4. And I get 0.050115 blah blah blah. So then times it by 100 and it gives it to me then as a percent to 2 decimal places. So then it says what's the difference between them? Well, you just need to take them away. So you could say, look at the difference. Comes out then to be 0.02%.